Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Toyota Verso. So from any screen you've got setup there. If you go into setup, you've got general Bluetooth and telephone, Bluetooth in the middle, click on there. Registered devices, connect telephone, connect audio player, detailed Bluetooth settings. So we're going to registered devices there. You can see there's just mine. This is a little bit confusing because you've got add new, remove and details, and it looks like it corresponds to the lower ones, but we want to remove. So if I click remove, Barry's iPhone 12p, click on that, remove this device, yes, device removed. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Toyota Verso. The first thing we have to do is go to settings and to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on, and then we're watching out below. On the actual unit, you've got setup here, click setup, and then you've got general Bluetooth and telephone. Now, it's tempting to go for telephone, but that's the wrong one. We need to go to Bluetooth, and then connect telephone. You've got add new there, add new. It's already picked up car multimedia here, so click on there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. That's it done. Now, another good thing with this system is if you go to your music, let's see, we go to the man who can't be moved there, you see at the bottom, I'm going to bring it up here because the light's shining on it, but if I click on there, the circle, the three circles with the silver triangle there, you see there's a tick next to car multimedia. That means whatever plays on here, whatever music's playing on here, whatever sound, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime, YouTube, the actual soundtrack will play through the speakers in here if you've got this set right. So that should be playing. Well, click play, it doesn't seem to want to, so it's playing there now. We go over to here, click on media, that's on the radio, but source button is up there in the corner. We click source, again it's still showing radio, but we've got an all button here, so we click on all, and then you've got BT, click Bluetooth, there you go, that's the tune playing.